Okay, I looked all over the internet to find anything that would tell me how to release a stuck power row middle seat in a 2016 Chevy Suburban. So there's nothing. I couldn't find any information whatsoever. But you have to take off this plastic piece on the side. And once you have that released, for me, this cable's broken. I need to figure out how to replace and fix that cable, but for now, being able to get the seat to fold down was the main problem, because you can't get the seat to fold down unless you push this down. Okay, that's not the way to get this off, but I punched it off, so let's see if I can get it off now. Okay, here we are in part 2. Getting this piece off right here. There's a screw I took out right here. It's a Torx head. You can see it right there. It came out of that hole, and I'm taking this rivet thing off, whatever those are called. I forgot in the moment. I'm drawing a blank. And I think I just got to get it up and over that. I think it should come out. So, light situation. Okay, so we have now gotten the back off, which is pretty disgusting, but as you might imagine, in the back of the kid's vehicle, it's not going to be perfect in there. So I believe this is the wire that's not connected, the one that comes from this side. So if you can see it over here, and it comes through this right here and then over to this handle over here. So we need to figure out why that one isn't connected. Okay, well, I found the problem. This lost its end cap, which means when it creates the pulling motion, when you lift up the handle, that this wire just slips. There's no pulling. And I took off this whole back, but that's not necessary, but it did help me follow this cable here with this little barrel on it, and it helped me follow it around, and then I saw that it came right here, and then I was playing with the wire. Let me hold this up here. So then I was playing with the wire on the other side that connects to the outside down here. See this wire here? I can pull on it, and when I pull on it, I can see that wire go back and forth. So I know that's the problem, that cap has come off. So now when I pull the lever, which I've taken off, has a clip that goes over this, and it keeps the handle on from the inside. So that's going to be tricky and a little bit fun to try to get back on there. Hopefully it's not too much of a pain. We'll see how it works probably before I put the outside cover on, and put the outside cover on and see if I can do it once it's on. So yeah, problem solved. Just got to get something to hold this here. I'm not sure what I'm going to use yet. I'm going to go research that right now. All right, here's the update. I joined a old wire that was here, right there in that black sheath. I joined that wire to a small wire, and I used a electrical, whatever those things are called, and clamp that onto the wire so it doesn't come through, and then hooked it to the old wire, and now it works again. So like I said, you didn't need to take this off. That's back on. I am still confused about how I'm going to get the clip back on the handle, but that's the step I'm on now.